This is a beautiful dual-mode analog and digital smartwatch from Swiss maker TOPHILL. In addition to the Swiss-designed analog hands with fluorescent glowing paint in orange or blue or other colors, you have a window into the digital world with the current date, your step count, distance traveled from the pedometer, and a calculation of calories burned. It also does your pulse, your heart rate. All of that information is transferable to an app, which can also automatically set the time on the watch to the correct time in your phone simply by matching the hands and letting it go. Check it out. It's an analog digital hybrid watch from TOPHILL.